A large amount of what we do with this system is cleaning fuel. So anyone that's got a petrol or fuel-driven lawnmower, you put it away in the autumn and you try and start it in the spring and you can't get the thing started. You can pull that cable, it never goes. If you pour the fuel out, put fresh fuel in, chances are it will start straight away. Well, imagine that on a big scale with a backup generator. You can't just pour all the fuel away. You've got tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of litres of fuel. So we make machines that actually solve the problems of fuel contamination while still in the tank. So a machine such as this is a recirculation device, a fuel filtration machine referred to as a fuel polishing system. These are self-aware, self-pumping, self-automating machines. They're filtration devices primarily, don't get me wrong, but they're about separating water, separating particulate, removing the foreign matter that's in the fuel, meaning that when you want to run the backup generator, the fuel that you've got for it is ready to go. We replaced a different manufacturer with the Grundfos pump. We made, say, a 40 litre a minute system and a 60 litre a minute system, and we weren't getting the service from that manufacturer that we wanted. So we went to the market and said, well, what else was there? And that's where our link to Grundfos came. With the Grundfos solution, and more importantly with this intelligent pump that's actually sat here, this took us onto a whole nother level, where previously we've been at fixed speed capability. What the Grundfos solution has allowed us to do is take our filtration stages onto the next level, make the whole system more effective by making it greener, by making it more carbon efficient. It is really important in this world not just to solve the problem, but to solve the problem well. And that's what we're very proud of what we achieve. In the years that I've been involved with WASP, we've taken the solutions from sort of more rudimentary steps, from a basic filter, from a basic pump, to something which is far more of a complex, intelligent machine. These devices, yes, their primary job is to clean fuel, but their secondary job is to look after the whole system, to feed that information back. The intelligence is inside here, the intelligence that we can put within our screen, and ultimately the intelligence that we can take from there and refer to the customer's building management system, the BMS. That's really important. Customers expect that now. In our initial tests, this particular machine is a 26 litre a minute machine. When we compared our old 26 litre a minute machine to this Grundfos powered 26 litre a minute machine, we're drawing roughly 1/4 the power with this one. So that's a big cost saving for the customers as far as running is concerned, and a big carbon footprint saving, because it's not just about money, it's about energy. Grundfos has helped massively. Our sales guy Luke has been instrumental in introducing a range of products to us that we've really never considered before. Before we spoke to Grundfos originally, although we were aware of intelligence and variable speed pumps, we weren't aware of their capabilities. So it's a question of how much integration can we get between the pump and the control system? How much feedback can that give, and how much information can that give to the customer? Nowadays, it's not enough just to say, oh, here's a machine that works. You've got to not only prove to the customer, but you've got to give them that feedback. You've got to give the BMS the information. And one of the real advantages we had when we first started speaking to Grundfos is to say, well, the information that we weren't able to draw before, so for example, current draw, or using the little flow switches that Grundfos provide, the actual direct flow straight out of the pump, to feed that back to the customer is a very powerful thing. Now we can give full feedback, say how fast the unit's running, how long it's running for. I mean, the Grundfos system will even tell you, how old the bearings are within this device. That is a fantastic bit of information. Most people aren't going to need to know it on a day-to-day basis, but at some point it will crop up. And the fact it's available is a wonderful thing.